Hi everyone! For today's video, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano ba malaman yung CIN number para makapagbayad ng first monthly amortization or down payment. Bale, after nyo mag-reserve, after 30 to 45 days, makaka-receive kayo ng thank you letter sa email nyo. Ganito yung itsura ng thank you letter. Reservation, confirmation, and schedule of payment. Ganyan. Then, i-click nyo lang, bale tatlong folder, bale tatlong naka-attach file na PDF yung makikita nyo. I-click nyo lang yung SOA. Then, ang password is SMDC Sales. Then, done. Ganito yung itsura niya. As you can see, meron siyang CIN sa itaas. Yan yung account number natin. Bale, 18003065994. Huwag niyong isasama yung slash pag magbabayad kayo sa GCash, BDO Online, wire transfer, remittance, iPay88. Marami tayong way how to pay. So, ayan yung CIN. Hindi siya nag-i-start sa 00 ha. Bale, yan yung susundin nyo guys. Yan na yung account number nyo sa unit nyo. Then, makikita nyo din dyan yung complete name nyo. Kasi kayo yung buyer sa buyer's name. Tapos, makikita nyo rin dyan yung agent name. So, ayan. Then, yung unit number details. Then, yung project details. Then, yung unit type, square meter. Then, makikita nyo dyan yung list price, yung discount. Then, makikita nyo dyan yung total amount ng unit na binili nyo. Then, kung kailan kayo nag-start ng reservation fee, makikita nyo rin dyan. And also, yung monthly amortization, kung kailan matatapos, and yung balance. So, ayan. Sundin nyo lang yan kasi yung date naman, let's say, every 5th of the month. So, every 5th of the month yan hanggang matapos. So, ayan guys. Bale, ito na yung magiging schedule of payment natin. Meron din akong mga tutorial how to pay the down payment and monthly amortization, how to create buyer's portal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe sa mga bagong viewers dyan to know more about the details about real estate investing, tutorial, and upcoming project of SMDC. Updates. Thanks for always watching my YouTube vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you from my next vlog.